Okay, here's a standard Crosspoint system that I do for my residential work. Let's go ahead and start off with the grouping. As you can see, all the rooms that are in groups according by the group color. And if we toggle through the button, it will change colors, to put the rooms in different groups. So we have them all set up according to the groups that we want them to be in. We'll go ahead and set all the rooms. We happen to be in the bar lounge, which is in group 2. Let's go ahead and pick an iPod. Let's turn this down. So now all the rooms are on. If you go here, we can see all 3 rooms in the group are on, and also by the color indicator of the group that they're in, which is green. Also tells you down here. I can hit group volume and change the group volume. This group volume is an average of all group volumes in the group. So if a room were to change volume individually, it affects the group volume feedback. And as you can see, there are changes based on the individual room going up and down. It affects the group volume averaging level. Now if I were to pick another room, it is currently off. Let's go ahead and pick tuner. So now I'm in master bed, tuner 1. If I go up to the rooms, I can see the rooms in the group that are on by group yellow, and those are group 3. If I go to the room, they're all in the same source that was selected for that group. So if I go back to master bed, it is there. If I were to change sources in this group, say we go to iPod, and then I maybe pick another room in the group, or in that same group, it is also an iPod as well, the last one that was selected. And down here you can flip through the subpages, and these all loop around, so you can go either direction and flip through all your subpages for that source. If I turn off a room in the group, they all turn off. If I go to the room, I can see that the indicator is no longer on, showing that the room is on. So if I go back to this room and turn it off, you'll also see the same thing here. They all shut off. And that is a basic Crosspoint system that I utilize in all my residential work. Here's cable music. If I pick any room in this group, it is also on cable music. This will also tell you that the source is being shared. There's 3 rooms currently using it. If I go to the source here, you see a little indicator on the button showing that it is being used by multiple rooms. So nobody's using iPod. Let's go ahead and pick iPod for this group. I go to any one of the rooms in the group, and they're all at the iPod. So all the rooms that are attached in a group, if a source changes, they all follow. So no matter what room you go to, you'll be at that source that the group is currently playing. If you come here, you'll see that group 2 is playing iPod. These are all the group setups as I showed before. And if we maybe we'll go back to this room again, and we'll pick cable music. If we go back to the system settings, you'll see that cable music is selected for group 3, which is the master bedroom, master bath. And there you have it. Just go ahead and go through, and it doesn't matter which room I pick. I just pick any one of the rooms, and it'll turn all the rooms off in the group.